Greetings and good day. Welcome to the Ikyan Shah Audio Notes series designed specifically for law students. More importantly, these notes are designed to help you write your answers efficiently within 35 to 40 minutes during the examination. Do like and share this video and subscribe this channel for regular updates. Let's start our today's topic. Winding up of company. Heading number 1. Introduction. By winding up of a company is meant the end of the life of a company is an artificial person. The winding up of a company is a legal procedure in which all the affairs of the company are wound up. It is permanent closing down of the business of the company. Its assets and liabilities are determined, assets are sold out and claims of the creditors must out of sale proceeds. The balance of any is distributed among the shareholders in proportionate to their shares. Heading number 2. Definition. When a company ceases to exist and its property is administered for the benefits of its creditors and member, it is called winding up. Heading number 3. Modes of winding up. According to the Companies Ordinance 1984, a company can be wound up by the following 3 ways. 1. Compulsory winding up by the court. 2. Voluntary winding up. 3. Winding up under the supervision of the court. Heading number 4. Compulsory winding up by the court. A company may be wound up by an order of the court. This is also called compulsory winding up of the company. Heading number 5. Grounds. Following are the grounds for the compulsory winding up of the company. I. By special resolution. If a special resolution has been passed by the company to be wound up by the court. 2. Failure to submit statutory report. If company fails to submit statutory report to have registrar of the companies. 3. Failure to submit statutory report. If company fails to hold statutory meeting within a prescribed period. 4. Failure to hold annual general meeting. If company fails to hold 2 consecutive annual general meetings. We. Delay in commencement of business. If a public company does not commence business within 1 year of the date of its incorporation or suspends business for a whole year, the court may order for its winding up. 6. Reduction in members. A public company may be wound up if its members are reduced below 7 and in case of private company below 2. 7. Unlawful or fraudulent activities. If company is carrying on business which is unlawful or fraudulent activities, the court may order for winding up. 8. Failure to pay debt. A public company may be wound up by the order of the court if it is proved that it is unable to pay debts. 9. Failure to maintain accounts. If a company fails to maintain its accounts, the court may order for the winding up of the company. X ceases to be a listed company. The court may wind up a company if it ceases to be a listed company. 11. Just and equitable. The court can order through winding up of the company if it feels that it is just and equitable that the company should be wound up. 12. Failure to pay debt. I. If the amount equal 1% of its paid up capital and company has not paid within 30 days after getting the notice of payment. 2. If the order of the payment has been passed against the company by the court or by the order of other competent authority, the payment has not been made wholly or partly. 3. The court has sufficient reason that company has not paid debts. Heading number 6. Who may petition? Under Companies Ordinance 1984, following may make an application for winding up of the company. I. Petition by the company. The company may itself present a petition for winding up of the company when it has passed a special resolution. 2. Contributors' petition. Contributors who are the shareholders of the company may present a petition for winding up of the company. 3. Creditors' petition. A creditor may apply for the winding up of the company. 4. Registrar petition. The registrar of a company may also file a petition for the winding up of company. Commission's petition. The commission is entitled to file a petition for the winding up, where it appears from the report of the person appointed to investigate the affairs of the company, that the business of the company has been conducted for fraudulent or unlawful purposes. Heading number 7. Conclusion. To conclude, I can say that, by winding up of a company means end of the company. It is proceeding under the Companies Ordinance 1984 in which all affairs are wound up. Companies Ordinance lays down 3 different methods to wind up the business of the company. The court is empowered to order for the winding up of the company.